Peppa Pig surprises. Mommy Pig has a surprise for Peppa. This is for you, says Mommy Pig, handing Peppa a mysterious box. It is a special box to put surprise things in. Ooh, says Peppa excitedly. What should I put in it first? Only you can decide that, Peppa, replies Mommy Pig. It's your special box. Peppa goes upstairs. This is my special box, she tells George. I am going to put surprise things inside. George wants to help. No, George, says Peppa. You have to wait outside. When Peppa is done, George tries to guess what is inside the box. Dinosaur! Grrr! Cries George. No, George, says Peppa, giggling. It's not a dinosaur. Now it is Daddy Pig's turn to guess. Is it my glasses? He asks. Silly Daddy, cries Peppa. You are wearing your glasses. Peppa goes to the living room. I made a special box for George too, says Mommy Pig. Oh, says Peppa, what's inside? It's a surprise, says Mommy Pig. Rattle, shake. George, says Peppa, let's show each other our surprise things at the same time. Snort, agreed George. Peppa counts down. 3, 2, 1. George and Peppa both open their boxes. What could be inside? Peppa has a trumpet. Toot toot. It's a bit of a noisy surprise, says Peppa, giggling. She looks to see what George has. George has a drum. Bang! Another noisy surprise, cheers Peppa. Peppa and George march around the living room, playing music. Bang! Toot! Mommy Pig comes in with another surprise. I know where we should keep these surprises, says Daddy Pig. In our tummies. Everyone laughs. Hee hee hee.